Are they the same? Are they the same? Did I get the same ones? But I got another two of this. Um, Wait, hold on. This retail therapy is getting out of hand. Where should we start? Yes. This arrived today. I ordered this from two different stores, but they both arrived at the same time. And so let's see what's inside. This is insane. I'm so embarrassed. One package came in with two packages inside. So let's open this one first and see what's in it. So this is the Tombow package. Why Tombow? Because everything came from Tombow, and I ordered it because I wanted to see how their products are, because I haven't tried any Tombow products before. These are their fine liners, their tech pens, and what we call them. I got 1.1, 0.3, and 0.5. I use Unipin tech pens or fine liners, and at some point I've used Marvy Uchida fine liners, and they're both great. Their differences are more on the ink rather than anything else. And this Tombow, I just tried out the 0.1 and then the 0.3. It's great. The handle is great. Pigment is great. And since Unipin actually is the brand that is the most accessible in our area or in our country, this is a nice, not really replacement, but if you don't have any Unipin lying around, you can use this. It's just much more expensive. Let's try this one. This is the Fudenosuke hard tip brush pen. I got this because I want to try a brush tip pen that is different from other brush pens that I've used. This is a hard tip, so it's still, I think, a felt tip pen, but it's more refined. I'd like to know ooh, okay. Alright, so you can shift from a very thin line to a very thick line. The handle is great, the weight is great, pigment is great too. I've been looking for some good brush pens lately, since I wanted to go back to making traditional drawings. I've been using digital for quite a while, and I think I'm getting rusty with my illustrating skills in traditional material, so I got a bunch of stuff to get me started again. This is a monograph lead, extra lead, because I got the monograph mechanical pencil, which I will show you later. This looks nice actually. This looks sleek. Oh, there you go. There's the lead, and they designed this dispenser to just take out one lead at a time, and unlike other dispensers that when you open them and you try to get one lead, everything just goes out. So this is actually a good design. I like it. It's very sleek. It looks professional. It looks like a lighter, but I like it. It's really nice. It looks nice. And this is beautiful. I like this. Oh wow. I like the weight of it. I like the look of it. It's so fancy. It looks so fancy. I like it. When you choose this pencil, you can choose whatever color you like. There are different colors available, and oh, you don't push it there. Where? Oh! There's an eraser inside, and it's retractable. Okay, how big is this? Oh, okay, it's that big. Okay, and then I'll place it back, and it's not going down. What happened? What did I do? Oh, there you go. I thought I'm not gonna get it back. Okay, so you push it there, and then the lead will go out. Alright, I'm not gonna pull through. Alright, there you go. I like this pen. I like the weight of it. It's nice. I think this is my favorite so far. I'll explore that later. This one is a Mono Zero eraser pen, and it looks like an Evangelion merchandise. This one is the extra eraser. It's in a. Oh, why is it? Is this it? What's this? It should be the eraser. Oh. Okay. This is like the when you see this, you know it's from Japan. There's something about the design of Japan that it's very them. Oh, there you go. That's it. So that's the eraser. It's not as long as the pen. It has this plastic rod with it so that it can accommodate the length of the pen. I'm gonna just put this back. It's so small. It's really thin. I think this is just 2.3 millimeters, I think, according to the stats. Let's move on to the second package. Oh, there's a lot. What's this? Oh, oh, they included a bag. Thanks, Tombow. They included a bag. Wait. Oh, what's this? Another one? I'm getting freebies now. That's awesome. It's so cute. It looks cute. I think it's plastic. Let's open it. I got excited with the freebies. There we go. Okay, there's a compartment here at the side, and then there's the main compartment with a zipper, so you can put some pens in there. This looks neat. Cute. Thanks, Tombow. Okay, let's get down to business and let's see what these are. I think these are also Fudenosuke calligraphy brush pens. Are they the same? Are they the same? Did I get the same ones? But I got another 2 of this. There should be a difference. I don't see the difference. What's the difference? Okay, so the first one is the hard tip. This one is the soft tip. Okay, that's it. So this is the soft tip Fudenosuke brush pen. Alright, so apparently I got a set of 5. Alright, so let's move on. I'm not gonna test that now. Alright, I got this for free. This is a pencil case, I think. The one that you like roll. So this is the ABT dual brush pens. And then this is nice. This actually feels nice. The material is great. And there's a garter for you to put your pens in. With the number of markers or pens that I have, I don't think this is gonna fit. But maybe you could, like, when you travel and you just pick the ones that you really use. So you put it in here and you bring it with you when you go. This is nice. This is actually a nice freebie. I like it. This is the Tombow dual brush pens. I've used Pro Marker for the longest time, and I've also used other brands like Copic and Tria. This is the first time I'm gonna use Tombow dual brush, and I heard, or at least stated, that it's water-based, unlike the other markers that I've used, which are alcohol-based. So let's see how this will turn out. Okay, so let's open this. Looks great. We have a range of pastel colors, actually. Pastel colors. I chose pastel colors because I rarely see them in sets, and I usually see the more saturated ones. So having some pastel colors is a good to have. It's a brush tip. The brush tip looks thick, and this is the other tip. This looks like just a regular felt tip pen. I don't usually use that. Let's try this brush tip. Okay. Okay. The reason why the color is like that is because my paper is cream. So, and since this is water-based, I guess it's more translucent. That's why the color of paper is showing as an undertone. Let's see if it blends. Nope. My paper is disintegrating. I like this color though. No, it's not blending. It's not like the alcohol-based markers like Pro Marker or Copics. Maybe if I use water, maybe they'll blend. But I don't have it with me, so I'll try that some other time. This is, I think, is good for calligraphy. If you're into calligraphy, I think the brush tip is very good. It's fine. And in terms of durability, I don't know yet because I have to use this in a significant amount of time to see how long, how well it can go with usage. But it doesn't smudge. But see, the paper is disintegrating because I tried to blend it. You won't have that when you use Copics or Pro Marker. This I got a Zig brush pen because I wanted to try this out again. I tried this years before. I got some from Japan when I went to Osaka, but I got frustrated because I don't know how to use this. And this is the ink dispenser, so you just need to like poke the middle of it so that the ink would go to the barrel, and then you can use it. But yeah, so I got this just because I wanted to try it out again and see if I can handle it this time. The other one is the same, so let's move on. Maybe I should take these out and start fresh. Alright, there you go. Magic of editing. I got these fineliners as well, the Zig brand. This is the Zig Mangaka fineliner. I wanted to test this out as well, aside from the Tombow one, so that I know which ones is good to use. I think this is cheaper, I think, than the Tombow one. It's the same, I think. The pigment is the same, and the tip is the same. This one is a brush tip. This is like the Fudenosuke version of Zig. I like this one, but the tip is much harder than the Fudenosuke one. Even compared to the hard tip of Fudenosuke, this is much harder. Between Tombow and Zig, I find the handling of Tombow much better than how I handle the Zig pen. This one is the medium brush tip. So the first one I used is the fine tip, and this one is the medium. So it should be bigger. The tip should be, yeah, it's bigger. So you'll have bigger stroke. Okay. The tip of this one has that brush stroke type. The streaks, it's very streaky. I think it's more on the tip problem rather than the ink. The fine tip is okay. This one is a sepia. Yeah. It's the same with the medium also. It has these streaks. So I don't know, maybe it's because of the tip. There's a problem with the tip, or there's a problem with their inks. Some of you might think that why am I testing all these things and why don't I just use whatever I have? I wanted to test these out because I wanted to know what's out there and what's available out there, and there's certain qualities that you're looking for a pen, a good quality pen. It's not just the brand, it's about the tip, it's about the ink, the pigment. Is it waterproof, is it not, the weight and how you hold it. There's a lot of factors involved in choosing the right drawing pen. And it also depends on what you do. If you're an illustrator, or if you are an architect or an engineer, do you use it for stippling or cross-hatching, or do you use it for calligraphy? There's so much factors that one artist can consider in picking the right pen. And me as a teacher, for myself, I need to know these things because my students are very different from each other, and sooner or later they're going to pick whatever they would like to use. And when I was a student, I really hoped that I had that same experience with a teacher that could tell me which ones I should use during college days. But I didn't have that experience, so I want my students to have that experience. So I'm trying these out mainly for them. But of course, I will share it to you as well. Of course, these are my personal opinions. If you like, you can test these out for yourselves and see which ones you like best. And let me know in the comments down below if you have any recommendations, or if you have tried some brands or other types of pens that you might want to recommend, and I'll see if I can find them. There's another package that needs to be opened, but I can't do it now because I'm pressed for time. So I'll end the video right here. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!